and tackle. Look how much man in midfield. Batty boy. So good, you know so much man in midfield. Yeah, me there on me brown screen or WhatsApp or ICAS or
Your jaw scratch is stiff. Your jaw scratch is stiff like crackers. Your jaw scratch is stiff. Your jaw scratch is stiff.
I can handle any culture in the world calling me dirty, except the Jamaican. Oh, it's just like they live specifically just to call somebody, you dirty, stinking. Wait, what? It's not even dirty. It's dirty. They didn't up the word. Nah, I don't care. Like, I ain't getting no Jamaican mad to a point where they could call me dirty. You dirty stink. Like, they just hold everything like it's dirty stink. Wait, nah, bro. Like, if a Jamaican call you dirty, I promise you, you never gonna slip up. You gonna take showers every day, wear your deodorant, you gonna spray, you gonna be on your most on top of your hygiene. I'm not gonna lie to you. I hope nobody experiences a Jamaican calling them dirty, cause it hurt. You feel me? They gonna make you dirty stink.
RTS.
No, the one not cook not taste good to me.
Bro, let me get. What is that you're drinking?
It's nourishment, bro. Nice Jamaican drink, bro.
First, innit? Jamaican.
Jamaican, bro.
Yo, can I get a taste?
Yeah, try that, bro. Try that.
Just drink it. I don't
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool.
What is it? Jamaican?
It's Jamaican, bro. Trust me.
Bombo clan, me can't lie. Bombo clan. This nourishment then, Jamaican, yeah?
It's Jamaican, bro.
Me got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. Oh, lad, Bombo clan. Can me have this, alright?
You can have it. You can have it. See you later, bro.
Listen, safety, me brother.
Safety.
Me bump and a fat split, my brother.